So again
again disturbance.
some disturbance. So that's why you can continue that the last or eighth problem there in our the same exercise or exercise 6. So disturbance in our today class. So that's why I can say sorry. And I can last problem. A rainfall of, first of all I read in our the textbook Gagan say in our word problem. Yeah, a rainfall of 0.896 centimeters was recorded in 7 hours. What was the average amount of rain for 1 hour? Okay. Yeah, first of all solution. You can write here, it is the solutions. Yeah, first solution. Total, what's our given data here? It is a rainfall recorded in 7 hours. 7 hours recorded that rainfall here given here. Rainfall, total rainfall recorded in 7 hours. Given in our textbook only. So that's why I can total rainfall recorded in 7 hours. So what's our how many centimeters are there? And 0.896 centimeters. Okay. Next. What's the second step? Average amount of, what was the average amount of rain for 1 hour? What was, you can find out that the average amount of the rainfall for 1 hour. You can find out it. What's the name? Average rainfall for 1 hour. 1 hour you can find out the 1 hour. So that's why you can 0.896 divisible by 1 hour. So first of all you remove the decimals only. 096 by remove it 3 digits only. So that's why I can remove the thousands divisible by 1 by 1. Reciprocals. Reciprocals means is that 896 by 1000. Reciprocals of the division it becomes to the multiplication, and 1 by 1. 1 reciprocals of that is same as it is 1 by 1. So that's why I can 0896 by 1000. Okay?
Yes.
Here it is the 7 hours only. You can find out that 7 Gagan Sai for 1 hour means is the 7 only. Okay? Okay, Gagan Sai 7000. Say sorry, here it is the 7 hours are given data only.
Yes.
So that's why I can is the 7000 only. Here it is the simplify that problem. And 7 here it is the words are 2 table 2 3 ja 6, and here it is that 6 means is 2 5 ja 10 0 0, and here it is that 2 4 ja 8, and 2 8 ja 2 4 ja 8, and again 2 8 ja 16. And then again here it is also 2 1 ja 1, 2 7 ja 14, and here it is also 2 5 ja 15, and then again and 2 2 ja 4, and 2 4 4. Then again 2 table, and 2 8 ja 16, 2 7 ja 14, and 2 5 ja 10, 2 1 ja 1, 2 2 ja 2 2 ja, and then again 2 4 ja 3 1 ja 1. Yeah, this is our directly can write it Gagan Sai. This is the 2 table is a very but there is no space here it is. So that's why you can directly what's here it is 0896 by 7000. Directly 7 table if it's a better only. Why? Because here it is that no space up there 2 table, you can don't write it only. Simplification is a very hard, so that's why you can 7 table you can better only. 7 1 ja 7, you can 0, and here it is also 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, then is a 5, 7 8 ja 56. So that's why is a 128 by 1000. Yeah, here it is what's the answer. 1000, since 1000 has the 3 zeros only, so that's why I can put the point here. It is the right to left is the 1 2 3. Put it here it is, and this is the answer. And average rainfall for 1 hour Here this is the answer only. This is a very 2 is the very simplification is a very very lengthy, and but there is no space only, so that's where this is the it's a directly 7 table it fits a better only. Okay, this is the answer for this is all our problems and solutions. There are sixth all problems and solutions is over. Sixth exercise, and today's our next new topic is that today we will learn the new topic introduction to rational numbers. Page number is the 51 and 2.5. Okay na? 2.51. What is the introduction of the rational numbers? Okay na? Rational numbers 2.5 first are rational numbers. What's the rational numbers? The new set of numbers called the rational numbers. Okay na? Your lead book also, both are today we learn that both books only are lead books and what are the supplementary book and Telangana state book. Both books are today we will learn it only. The new set of the numbers are called the rational numbers. The set of rational numbers also includes the natural numbers and whole numbers and integers. If it's a bigger collection of that numbers is called as the rational numbers only. What are the includings ante natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. All are there in that here. It is also diagram is also there. Gagansa in our lead book or in our supplementary book here it is the neatly diagram here it is. A notebook is also there. Rational numbers. What are included are there in our integers, whole numbers and natural numbers. Here it is that it is defined as a number. It is expressed in the form of P by Q form. Okay na? But P by Q are integers. Both are the integers only. But the rational number is defined as the number. Okay, P by Q. And P and Q are the integers. But Q naught is not equal to 0. Okay na? But here it is also a number, and it is it a rational number? It can P by Q form. Okay, 5 by 4 is it a rational number? Yes, it is a rational number. But is the P by Q form is the P by Q, same as it is form here. It is some forms here numbers and rational numbers, and here it is the P by Q forms there. Gagansa in Italy. Here 0 is it a rational number? Yes, that is also 0 by 7. The denominator can be integer except 0. And minus 5 by 4. And that is also is it a rational number? Here this is the P by Q form. And minus 6, that is also rational number. That is also is 6 by 1 P by Q form. Even if these are the numbers 0.25, that is also is it a rational numbers? That is also you can P by Q form of that 1 by 4. 2 by 1 means is the 1 by 4 only. These are is what are some P by Q forms here. It is also 5 by 4, 5 by 4, P by minus 5 by 4, minus 5 by 4. All are some more examples are there in our supplementary books. Our page number is the 34. Some P by Q there only. And next one is the what are positive or in Telangana state book. Our page number is the 31. 2.51 positive fractional numbers. Okay, Gagansa in Italy. First of all you can learn the integers and fractions. You can learn about already integers and fractions. So that's why a number line. Today we will learn that the marks are the integers and fractions are on the number line. Okay, today we will learn the number line. Look, both are that mark on it and what are fractions and integers. Okay, this is the number line only. Your textbook is also there in the same page number. Here it is also there. Gagansa in Italy. This is the left side is that what's the minus points. This is the right side of the positive integers. This is the negative integers only. Okay. Both are the words are here. It is the 0 and 1. 0 and 1. What are the fractions are between there in our number line? On the number line Gagansa 0 here it is the 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4. Okay na? These all is the positive or negative numbers. First point is the 2.51 is the positive fractional numbers. Positive fractional numbers only. So that's why is 1 by 4, 2 by 3 and 3 by 4 is all are that between of the 0 and 1. 0 and 1 between that these are is the positive fractional numbers only. Okay na? 192 are how many positive fractional numbers అంటే 4/3 and 5/3. These are is also positive fractional numbers. Okay na? Like between that the 192 what's are there in war between the 192 and means is the this like only 2 only 4/3 and 5/3 only.
Okay.
And then again what's are these are is the all are the positive fractional numbers, but there is a don't have that the no fraction negative positive negative fractional numbers only. Here these are is the only positive fractional numbers. Here it is that 0 and 1 between the fractions, positive fractions. Okay na? Between the positive fractions what's are there? 1/4, 2/3 and 3/4. Okay na? Next 192 between the positive fractions. What's are positive fractions are 1/192, 4/3 comma 5/3. You can understand these all is the all are the positive fractional numbers only. Next is that negative fractional numbers on the number line. Here it is the 2.5.2. Here draw the number line, and here it is also given here. Next is the page number is the 52. Page number is the 52 or negative fractional numbers. The textbook is also there in our 52, and here it is also number line. Draw the number line. Here it is, and left side of the negative integers, and this is the positive. Okay na? So that's why you can here it is that here it is the circle of that A and B. Okay na? A and B are see better this textbook is also there. What's our A point? A points what's are there in our A point? This is the A minus 1/2 only. Here it is also there. And the textbook is also there. Here it lies on the 0 and -1. 0 and -1 middle of there in that A point there, and you can -1 to -2 middle of the B point. Okay, you can understand say A point is the -0 and -1. A point there only. That is the middle of there. This is the half only. This like middle of that only. This is the half part only. You can understand. అంటే 1/2 part. అంటే this is a -1/2 part. Okay, why? Because this is the left side of that A point there only, but there is a not the right side of that positive integers only. Only are a mark under the left side only. Why? Because negative fractional numbers only. So that's why you can here it is the 0 and -1. So that's why you can A point. What is the exact point of A is the middle of that only. -0 and -1 only. So that's why that is the 1/2 -1/2 less than of 0. And next is the B point. B is the middle point. Where is the B point there in our -1 to -2. Okay, -1 to -2. That is the here it is the point there only. Middle of there. And 3/2. This point is the 3/2. 3/2 means is that 1.5 only. This is the improper fraction. 3/2 means is how to write it the mixed fractions 2 table. The 2 1 ja 2. So that's why you can 1 remainder is the 1. So that's why you can 1/2. So that's why you can middle of this like only. And -1 to -2 middle of that 3/2. 3/2 means is a 1.5 only. Okay, that is the 3/2. You can understand of that both points where it anedi in the left side, that is the negative fractional numbers. This is the on the number line how to mark on the number line anedi. If you say this is the A point and B point of that negative fractional numbers, and O is the rational numbers. All positive and negative are the rational numbers. Okay, all fractions are the rational numbers. It's like one. Next point is the 2.5.3, and page number is the 53. This is the 53. Page number is the 53. Okay, Gagan, say?
Yes.
You can understand neatly. Yeah, what is the rational numbers? Do you know the whole numbers? Do you know the whole numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are all is the whole numbers only. Okay. And is the negative numbers. What is that? Negative numbers. You can do you know the negative numbers. Gagan say this is the minus 4, minus 4, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. These all is the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bigger collection of the numbers are called the. These are all is that negative and positive all are. Yeah, previous exercise are 6 problem. Like future one is that is 6th one Gagan Sai 88.5 and divisible by 0.15 only. But here it is that 885. But here it write it only 880. But here you can you can write it the mistake only 885. But I am write it only 880. So that's why I can 592 and alag examples. So but either textbook here it is the only 5 only and 885 only. So that's why I am write it only 880. So that's why I can 2 is the extra only. You can write it Gagan side neatly. Simplify that the 8850 by 8850 by 15 only. So that's why I can 5 3 ja 15. Okay na? 5 3 ja 15, 5 1 ja 5 7 ja 35, 5 7 ja 35. Then you can 0 as it is and 3 1 ja 3 and 3 5 ja 15 and next is the 3 9 ja 35 and then is the 0 and 590 is the answer of there in that 6th one only. 6th bit lo if it's a last 6th bit lo in their 6th problem lo this is the 590 is the answer only. You can understood Gagan sir? Yeah, next is the you can understood this is the textbook here it is the 5 only but there is I am write it only as 0 only. So that is you can understood Gagan sir? Yeah, this is the whole numbers and is the integers. Integers means is the negatives plus positive numbers. So those are the big collections of numbers are called as the integers. Okay na? Rational numbers are bigger collections of the numbers are includes. What are includes are there? Positive and negative and fractional numbers is all are the rational numbers. You can understand? This is the negative fractional numbers and you can positive fractional numbers is also there. It is denoted by the rational numbers are out denoted by the Q. Q is denoted by Q only. You can understand Gagan say neatly. Okay na? Yeah, next one is all fractional numbers can be generally written as that W1 by W2. Generally you can write down here it is the W1 by W2. W1 means is the here it is that above that one numerator only. Numerator means is that here it is the 17. For examples of the 17 by 5. 5 means is the this one only. Here it is the what's on W1 equal to 17 and W2 equal to 5 only. Okay, Gagan say? Generally you can write here it is in that in the form of this one only W1 by W2 only. But here W2 is not equal to 0. That is the very definition of that rational numbers definition only. If it's next is the page number is the 54 page number. Rational numbers are the bigger collection of numbers which including the integers, positive fractional numbers and all are the negative fractional numbers. Okay, this like only. Here this is the ratio of the two integers. Ratio of the two integers is the in the form of the P by Q form. When P and Q are the integers, Q is not equal to 0 are called as the rational numbers. Okay, now you can understand Gagan say the set of rational numbers is denoted by Q only. Next is the next topic is the 2.5.4 comparing the rational numbers. How to comparing the rational numbers you can find out here it is. For examples of one I explaining in that the comparing the 2.5.4 page number here it is that what's the page number is the 54. Okay, Gagan say one examples today we will learn in the comparing the rational numbers 3 by 4 and 5 by 7. 3 by 4 here it is that all are that are unlike fractions. So that's why first of all you are equivalent to the rational numbers, converting into the equivalent of the rational numbers by with the same denominator only. So that's why 3 by 4 comparing the with the same denominator. So that's why you can here it is the directly you can I don't know that so many problems are already finishing there in that previous problems. So that's why directly you can write it again say same denominators both are there. 5 cross of this like only 4 and by what side area it is the 7 cross of 4. You can understood of this one again say neatly by converting into the equivalent rational numbers by with the same denominator. But here don't write it here the step only. Yeah, by converting okay Gagan say neatly converting the equivalent rational numbers by to the same denominator. Okay na same denominator. Yeah, okay you can understand again say 3 7 ja 21 new product of the numerators by product of the denominators. 3 cross 7 21 by 4 cross 7 denominator 28. So equal to 5 cross and that 5 cross 4 20. Next 7 cross 4 28. Both are the denominator is the same. So that's why is a like fractions only. So that's why you can very easily to comparing that which one is the bigger and which one is the smaller. You can very easily comparing. Gagan say comparing the both are the rational numbers. In comparing here it is here what are which one is the bigger 21 by 28 is the bigger only. So greater than 20 by 28. Yeah, 21 by 21 is what's the given fractions are in our given problem. 21 means is the 3 by, therefore 3 by 4 greater than 5 by 7. You can understand Gagan sir neatly. Compare if it's both are the rational numbers to comparing of that both are rational numbers you can understand. Next examples is the negative fractional numbers. So that's why you can what's the solution out you are comparing of that negative fractional numbers. This is also converting into that both are the unlike negative fractional numbers. So that's why converting into the equivalent fractions but the same denominator only. So that's why you can write it here directly or multiplication of the 3 and here it is also 3. Okay, you can understand Gagan say 2 by 3 and here it is also this like only 2 cross 2. You can understand but here it is also by converting same step as below step by converting the equivalent rational numbers by the same denominator only. Okay, the same denominator.
Okay.
Denominator. Okay, jaldi write it. But here it is also the product of the two. Gagan sign Italy. Yeah, minus 1 cross 3 means is the 3. Okay, product of that by. Next is the product of the denominator. Denominator means is 2 cross 3 means is the 6 only. Okay, Gagan say neatly. See, and 2 cross 2 means is the minus 4. 4 by is the 3 cross 2 means is the 6 only. So both are the denominators is the same only. So words are which one is the bigger? This like is the bigger only. So that's why this is also and therefore what's the given with 3 by 6 means is the what's the given 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Okay, and next here this is also 4 by 2 means is the 2 table 2 by 3 simplifies. If it's a simplify is the 2 by 3. So that's why I can this like is a minus 2 by 3 less than of minus 2 by 3. This is the answer for that is. I can understood Gagan sign neatly. Yeah, next step what's the next one is the 7th exercise.